Good morning, everyone. How's it going? Chart colors are in the Discord. Come join the free Discord. Oh, shit. No, the indicator's not free, Rodriguez.
Yo.
Yo.
What up?
Morning. Dude, I don't like the way the market looks.
Shit just short.
It's crazy consolidation.
Yeah. Should short down to a weekly gap from here. Just makes sense. Sweep out this previous day low into a weekly gap down there.
Yeah, I definitely want this weekly for value gap.
Oh,
Possibly.
here it comes.
Yeah.
What are they already slamming this shit? Wow. Wow. 50.1 minute candle in the pre-market?
Crazy, bro.
Let me see. Wow. London was like, wow. That show's actually like perfect.
That 30 second was actually fucking clean. Wow.
Look at it. Wow, yeah, the 15 minute. Yeah, it's actually insane. Look at this fib retrace.
Yeah, wow.
Holding this 15 minute gap. Wow.
GG's.
So they're just gonna take the draw before we even get the option.
What's up, Rob?
I'll be right back real quick.
Yeah, draw bearish until previous week low as well. I agree. I definitely want to see this weekly fair value gap come get filled. Alright. That's the weekly fair value gap. We have it right here, previous week low. Definitely want to see, you know, maybe something like, you know, maybe something like this. You know, come and sweep out previous week low, fake everyone out that's, you know, trying to catch a reversal, re-sweep out the low, sweep out internal, right? This would be the X. We swept out external, right? This would be external, internal. This is a bad X, but sweep of internal and external. Wait for the change in the state of delivery right here. For value gap, tap into the change in the state, and then, you know, bull run. It's kind of something what what I'm kind of looking at. But yeah, no, oh shit! Sorry guys, I'm so tired today. I do expect at least previous week low, right here. We got 740 to, so about 120, 110 points away. Hopefully we can catch a trade down to there.
All right, I'm back. Let's have this hourly. Gold's have the daily gap and died.
Yeah, I know. Crazy, bro.
Nasdaq's already down almost 1%. Wow.
Yeah, no, this looks like the beginning of the end, bro. Might be over.
It might be.
Time to just sit cash.
Unless. RC. Yeah, this move down has looked kind of odd. Wait. My screen's not sharing. Oh yeah, none of our screens are sharing.
Oh shit. Good call.
There we go.
Yeah, this kind of looks ass right now. There's nothing we can really even formulate. We just want lower.
Yeah.
Kind of just gotta sit and wait.
Yeah, this 1 hour gap that we're inside, or like we're sitting in, should send us lower. Previous day low and weekly gap.
Previous week low as well.
And there's a doubles mark down there.
But
We have an SMT at the top of like this range, just like small range.
yeah, it just looks ass right now. Just straight consolidation. 5 minute looks horrendous. Just back and forth, back and forth.
Yeah. AMD. Could manipulate higher and then come lower.
Yeah, like if we came and re-swept out these highs, tap the 15-minute 1 hour right here, I would love a short back down. But
I mean, that looks like what? Like this looks like AMD. Like we should.
I would love that.
Either re-sweep these highs or like we're just gonna like fall out of this range and just break it lower. But But if we take out the highs into the 1 hour again, it would be ideal.
Mm-hmm.
This 15-minute gap just flipped right here, but it's like it's not really a valid inverse, I think.
No. We just tap the 5-minute here. Small 5-minute.
Yeah. Honestly, look at look at all those lows on there. Jesus. See this range. The range is still kind of wide, huh?
Yeah. We did just get a dodgy alert. I'm gonna try.
I did see off that 1 minute flip.
I'm gonna try it on paper. This is not on legit. I'm not taking this legit.
I bet.
Let's see if this delivers though. I do kind of like it. I mean, it's not terrible. The only thing is I don't like this. Like, I would want like a resweep of the highs, really.
Yeah, look, you like get all these like range highs swept out back into these gaps and then come back lower.
That would be like a perfect scenario. But after tapping the 5-minute, super close to the draw. Nice 1-minute inverse there.
This 5-minute might just send low key into at least into previously low.
Yeah. Let's see if it delivers.
Voice connected. Let's see.
I also noticed this so many times when we tap like a 5-minute and get a 1-minute out, it usually always like creates a 15-minute also, and then your stop loss becomes the 15-minute fill, and you're kind of hoping that we use it right away. You know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah. I mean, we inversed that 15-minute, and honestly, if this candle displaces enough, we probably won't come back up for it.
No, 100%. But so I have my stop loss right now at the top of the wick that we tapped into the 5-minute, right? If you now go into the 15-minute, the stop loss that I have is at top of the 15-minute wick, right? It's like so if we, were to tap like a fair value gap, the 15-minute fair value gap, my stop loss is that fair value gap. I've noticed that a lot. Like when you take an entry from a 5-minute fair value gap, usually your stop loss is like a higher time frame fair value gap that we could just, easily manipulate into.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, in this case, ideally we don't create it for another 11 minutes, so hopefully you get the opportunity to go break even before then.
Yeah.
Should really just be easy short. Yeesh.
Yes, is displays.
Yeah, it's coming down. They look correlated.
Yeah, I like that.
The 5 minute close is solid too.
Check. Oh yeah. That does look nice. Yeah, YM's displacing down pretty hard here.
Let's see. Oh yeah, damn.
I don't know why my shit's not showing my execution marks.
Oh shit! What was that?
Break even there.
Sheesh.
Let's see if we can get this bitch to dump the previous week low now.
Yeah, look, you might just send for it.
You guys hit TP there. Good shit, fellas. I know people on the TikTok. Caught. Rob, you took or no? Good shit, bro. It was a good trade. Oh, wow.
Remember I told you, like, the whole thing with Iran was like basically like the backdoor banking.
I don't know.
Like basically like the war comes down to like not even like nuke. It's not like about nukes. It's about like Iran's kind of like there's like a thing where there's like a, how do you explain it? We have our central banking system, right, where we can like see like the money where it's flowing.
Mm-hmm.
But then there's also like a shadow system where like there's money flowing that keeps our economy like afloat, but we don't know about it.
Yeah.
But basically, they made a tweet just now, and it said that the U.S. seeks global crackdown on Iran's shadow banking networks by Scott Bessent.
Oh shit. So what does that mean for like the U.S. like actually itself?
Well, that's actually, I don't know. That's a good question because like I think like maybe their backdoor shadow banking doesn't really benefit us, and that's why we're kind of going for it. It's more something to do with like European countries.
Okay. All right. I mean,
that's why the U.S. keeps saying that that like the U.K. and like Germany and shit all step in.
Oh, I see. Okay. Fuck, dude. I mean,
honestly, bro, I just want that previous week low to stay inside before the open so we can actually short it.
Yeah, that's unfortunate.
But I mean, at this point, that's just some more like bearish news. Yeah, they're literally saying that like that they should close like all the bank branches there.
Oh my god! Wow.
And that the Middle East and Asian countries should dismantle their banking system, their shadow banking system.
Oh Jesus. Well, I don't even know what that means, but
it's also something to do with crypto. Like it, like I don't know. That's like it's just like it's something weird. I don't know. It's some kind of like backdoor transactions. That's why all their assets are frozen. They keep saying they want their trillions of dollars like in assets unfrozen, but it's like where did you get that from?
No, it's true.
Like how did your country acquire like what 15 trillion or whatever the case is, whatever it is? That's insane. So the problem here is that there's an SMC at previous day low now.
Okay.
For the ES. I think ES is going to come down for it the way it looks.
Yeah, I still want to see it. I still want to see this bitch run lower.
How do treasury yields work? Like you know about like the 30-year like yields and all that? Like when those start spiking, what does that indicate?
Honestly, I have no idea. Like I've heard of them. I don't even know what they do though.
Like
Dude,
apparently
it's crazy.
The 30-year yield is the highest since 07 right now.
Oh shit.
Like that's not good.
That can't be good.
Right?
It's crazy because I went to school for all this shit and I literally know.
The only thing I know is that like millennials say that whenever the market looks bad, you should just go put your money in bonds.
Yeah, I've heard that before too.
That's all I know. But like, what are those though? Treasury yields and bonds.
They're
I don't
like
know though.
they're like my when I was born, like my grandfather would put that like $1,000 into bonds. Like
Mm.
you get like 2% or like 1.5%. It's like guaranteed money, but it's like super low like interest rate or whatever.
So it's like a safe haven if the market goes into like a like kind of like a correction or a crash. Like bonds would be your safe haven.
Yeah, it's like guaranteed money from the U.S. government or something like that. I forget exactly.
I see. So it's almost kind of like having a high yield at that point to some extent, but I'm sure it's a little different.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's like you have um when you put into a bond, you have to do it for like at least a year or something. Like there's like some rule, like 2 years. Like there's a certain rule with it or something.
Let's see. Well, anything that is followed by highest since '07 is spooky because that was right before things got fried.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
Are they about to fry us?
Dude, this.
I mean,
fucked.
when you look at this 4 hour all-time highs, it's quite a ways away now.
Yeah. Dude, I can't believe this. It came up, tapped the BE literally perfectly to the tick. 858.
Oh yeah. Let me see,
Right up
858.
until that.
Wow, yeah.
Now this bitch is gonna run the previous week low. It's happened every day.
She looks pretty heavy. Honestly, yeah, we might just open and slam it to be real.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, we're probably going to use the opening volatility.
Yeah. Only thing is, it's a weekly gap, so like, I don't expect for us to just buy up out of it, like, you know, in the same structure. Like it's a weekly, so I guess ideally we have to see like some kind of a like a daily reaction to it.
Yeah.
If we want it to align.
Agreed. Yeah. Agreed.
Yeah. And also like that gap is huge. The gap is what 800 points wide. Honestly, I mean, where's like, how would you even measure like equilibrium of this range? You'd have to measure this shit from the bottom, the bottom in March.
I wouldn't even know where to begin. You would have
Yeah,
to
deadass.
back in March.
Yeah, it'd have to just be that bottom. That's like the actual like true bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. If that's the case, equilibrium is gonna be pretty far down.
Yeah, that shit's far.
Oh man. Let's see. I mean, looks like coming into open, we're gonna keep that S&T at previous day low. I would say, like, what would the condition be to long? We would have to come back and like flip the range highs like back.
To really go long, I would want us to see, like, dig into the previous week low, dig into it, and then come up, give sort of a reaction on the first fair value gap, then re-sweep the lows, and then deliver. You know.
Yeah, that's valid.
Basically, just wait for like a change in the state on the 5-minute or the 15-minute to confirm that we're gonna like change structure.
Yeah, I like it.
Because I've also noticed on the first like leg up that we start to deliver, we usually don't create the change in the state, like on the higher time frame.
Yeah, that's true. We kind of like that's like the candle is still kind of forming while the low time frame looks like it's printing.
Exactly. Yep. Wow, dude, that gold trade I almost took, the long, would be getting like stopped at break even right now.
Yeah, gold is getting liquidated.
Yeah. Holy
what
shit.
the?
That 1-minute flip was clean. 5-minute tap, 1-minute flip.
Low key, yeah.
Just take it down to previous week low, dude. And gold's like, how do I say it? The sizing is the ranges are big on it. So like 6 micros would have been, fucking good.
Yeah, now gold's been moving like kind of crazy. It's down what, almost 2% today.
All right, so we do have internal and external SMT on NQ right now.
Here's open.
Oh shit, yeah. All right, so there's a 15-minute tap here.
Yep, just dug into that 5-minute more as well.
Yep. 15-minute BPR. Good shit, Rob. Yeah. Enjoy your day, bro. Don't even go back into the market.
I agree.
I'm pretty sure Dodgy just took that. Let me see.
Holy shit! What's that candle?
Oh, wow.
Holy, what the, bruh?
Wow. Yeah, Dodgy took that trade. That's short.
Okay, wait. Actually, hold up. This is not bad. Wait, maybe we get the AMD here.
We just tapped the CE of this 15. Oh, no. Never mind.
ES is not moving up here. What's the difference?
Yeah, no.
Wait, what's happening? So we have SMT now at the top of this range, but we didn't take out like the full 4-inch high.
Yep.
Basically, want to see like a resweep into this hourly again.
Yep.
ES did not make that move whatsoever.
No, ES looks super weak.
Yeah.
Well, if anyone took that long, SMT internal and external, and then that fucking flip there right before market open.
Insane. 150 point move.
Yeah, wow. That's the range highs right there. There's a 1 hour.
Yeah. SMT there now.
Yep.
Now we could start looking to frame something. ES is fried.
Mm-hmm.
Just made this 930 cap.
Midnight opens 990.
Yeah. Let's see where the fibs line up for this. Coming into like equilibrium is at like 987 if you take the 15-minute fib, and that's inside of like this smaller gap that we just tapped, smaller 15-minute gap.
Okay, let me. Okay, yeah, I see.
Yeah, see how that goes. But like this kind of looks insane. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, this is pretty fucking strong. The only thing is ES is
Yeah, ES isn't catching up at all.
Yeah, not replicating at all.
It's like it hasn't even moved. It's actually insane. ES has moved maybe like 3-4 points, while Nasdaq is almost expanding like 200 at this point. Right?
It's
wild.
It's actually crazy. This correlation that we've been seeing recently is nuts.
That's what I'm saying. I don't understand it. Let's see.
Wow.
Still think shorts could end up happening from this area.
No, definitely.
Kind of depends though. It's 1 hour, like, I don't know if it flips up, but then ES is not going to look the same. It's just going to look like really weird. We have clear SMT up top, so I guess it definitely doesn't make sense to long.
No, definitely. Yeah, I mean, I guess for this, what I would want to see is a resweep of the highs, and then just like a good break-even spot to then slice through all these fair value gaps that we just made.
Yeah. The thing is, too, once, like, if we do get weak again, ES is going to end up, like, kind of leading down.
Yeah. SMT here at the lows.
Yeah, weirdo SMT. Hmm. This is like pretty odd. Let me see. This. Hmm.
I'm in the Alpha group chat, the Alpha
Hmm.
Futures group chat. They just said tomorrow is gonna be the craziest, biggest sale we've ever done. Said, I wonder if 50% off unlimited use would help you guys a lot. And then he
Hmm.
said, or 90%, question mark, question mark. That's the owner of Alpha.
So they're telling us that the market's about to be shit the rest of the week, basically, is what I'm hearing.
Deadass. 90% off. Fucking,
90% would be low key insane.
yeah.
Oh, that's a spike.
Yep. Reswap the highs now. Let's see if we can get like a 30-second flip here with that low being the break-even spot.
I think my chart like tweaking? No. What is happening? It's like, I don't know what just happened. It was like printing so weird just now.
Shit. Wow, wow.
Yeah.
I mean, shit.
I mean, has this shit been about to long to London at this point?
Dude,
Like,
deadass.
what the fuck? Well, ES is catching up now. Interesting.
Just gonna delete the SMT at this point.
Dude, these ranges are fried.
Yeah. Can we just go back to every day waking up and just going long? That was nice. Looking at the porch, seeing every day it was green.
Literally.
So from London high to the New York AM low that we just took out, like previous day low, 7.9 is right here.
Gotcha.
Last 15
Yeah, I
minutes
guess like
value gap.
technically we have the SMT at previous day low. It's like the only thing I could see sending us higher. But then just nothing actually to take like long. This hourly looks like it's about to be flipped though. Let's see. ES is like still not near the range highs.
No.
SMT there still, so
If we flip this 1 minute, might try stab.
yeah, that'd be solid actually.
Delivered out of the fibs, last 15 minute for value gap. It's got to be a really clean reaction though.
Yeah, last 15 minutes at the top. With the fibs. Actually, yeah, it looks solid. It came up 7-9 perfectly too.
Yep. SMT
So far.
is still there. Yep.
Yeah.
We'll see.
I wonder if honestly now it's like I feel like this could kind of go either way at this point now because ES is starting to catch up here
Yeah.
instead of like stalling.
As long as it holds the SMT,
Mm-hmm.
still frame shorts, but yeah, if we break the highs, then it might be cooked. Just are about to open up a 2 minute here.
Yeah. 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. This candle's about to close like kind of strong. We have a gap all the way down here now. It's 5 minutes. These ranges are insane.
Yeah, they're huge. Getting some speed here.
Okay, doesn't look bad.
The only thing is, we closed the 1 minute there, but 2 minutes still has a fair value gap. Me not taking the 1 minute is gonna fry me. Watch, trying to be perfect.
Let's see. I tried it. I'm just gonna break even at the 5 minute gap
Yeah,
if we hit it.
I did too, honestly. Let's see if we can get it.
Yeah, I'm gonna break even there.
Yep.
It's gonna be a quick break even, but
That's fine.
just to make sense of her.
Yeah, I like it.
Also making more SMTs with like ES at the bottom, so see how it plays. I'm using 3 micros, shit's already up $300.
Yeah, I got 2 micros on
These
it.
ranges are crazy. What do I want to hold for? I mean, I'm gonna hold for the previous week though, honestly.
Yeah, me too. See if we can get some delivery here.
Hopefully.
2 minute just closed. Flush.
See it. Spike it down.
Send it.
We did also get like the 1 minute change in the state there too.
True, true.
Just want to see price like slides to this 5 minute.
Yep. I like that.
See if we can see some follow through. If it can like come down and inverse of the 930 gap, that'd be solid as well.
Mm-hmm.
I think ES never made that gap, so like it would just be on NQ.
Okay, fair. Come on, just deliver it.
Literally. Spike it down. I just hate that my break even's like close in terms of structure, but point wise, it's kind of far. It's like 40 points.
Yeah, no. I mean, like, either way, like, this is a perfect IFEG trade. Like, at the 5 minute, you definitely want to go break even. Like, if it breaks you even, it's fine, whatever.
Yeah, 100%. At this point, I mean, ES is like through the lows too.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So send it, NQ, send it.
This looks solid.
Let's see.
Yes, edge, previous day low there.
Oh yeah. If it takes, we get rid of that SMT, then the short should look a little better as well.
Yep. Let's see, come on.
Don't do it. I'm actually gonna target like the range low at like 801, just because like the previous week low would be too much for the Evos.
Word.
So TP's 801 flat now for me. Let's see.
Come on, one time NQ.
Right.
For all like 100 of you watching. Come on. Start slamming on your live account shorts, bro.
We just keep, if we keep just rejecting, this looks good. Hopefully we can just keep melting. These ranges are insane. Like, bro, 3 micros of $500.
Yeah, 2 micros is jumping, bro.
Yeah, insane. Don't do it, NQ. So the good thing, I mean, so far is that the 5 minutes not really like, you know, not holding reaction to it really.
Dude, I also got a bad fill. I'm glad that this shit's just...
Where to fill you at?
I got filled at 90.
I mean, that's not too bad.
Yeah.
I mean, I got filled at, what, 982? Pretty much like right after the IFEG close.
Yeah, nice.
Not a bad candle. It just came down below C of that 5 minute there.
This is nice. I like this.
Only thing that scares me now is we're coming into those fibs and we have the SMC here.
True.
Just hit, we're at 705 here.
ESS previous week low also right below. I mean...
That is true, yeah. I would assume one of these go for it at least.
Yeah, if like that's the draw, like we should just see it, you know.
Sheesh.
Wow, bro. No way. No way.
Whoa, that's actually insane.
No way. No way.
Bruh.
No way.
Oh, I got break even.
No way, bro.
Bruh.
Dude.
I got break even on one set and the other set isn't out yet.
Oh my god.
It's about to be there.
I cannot believe this.
I can. This shit does this shit every fucking day.
Oh my god.
Bruh.
Well, that's break even for me too.
Yeah.
And I got slipped.
Bruh, like, you know what? I don't care. The idea was valid. That is just unfortunate. Like, what the fuck? I mean,
I don't even know what to say, bro.
It's like,
I mean,
bruh.
fuck.
Bro, that trade was up 115 points and just reverses back to zero. No way.
I feel like I just got touched. Like,
A little bit.
I don't know how to explain what I
Low
feel
key.
right now.
Bro.
That shit's just gonna fucking plummet now.
This shit here. Okay, well. Dude, if it does this, I swear to God. Bro. Oh, man. No way, right?
Dog.
No way.
Yeah, fucking send this bitch to all-time highs now, seriously.
I mean, shit. Let's see. See what conditions are now. So we have S&T at like low of day or like those pre-market lows with ES. ES did take out previous day low now. the weekly gap, that previous week low, I do just think is a target overall. So I mean, I wouldn't mind attempting a re-entry. The only problem is that now we're coming out of this 5 minute gap, so it kind of makes a re-entry hard.
Mhm.
So perhaps wait for. I mean, even once a 5 minute, like we start trading below it, we're still 100 points from the weekly gap. So maybe wait for the 5 minute to close this gap. Try to short down for the weekly gap, and then honestly, I mean, I don't think we just react off of the fill. I think we kind of dig deeper into it.
No, I agree, definitely. Like you're saying for the weekly fair value gap fill.
Yeah, like the weekly gap is like previous week low.
Yeah,
I don't think we just wick through and then come up. I think we like come further down. So like there's like a previous like Asia session low at like 679 below that weekly gap that we could go for. And then just like a couple other internal levels. So I still think shorts could end up playing out ultimately, but we'll kind of see like how this 5 minute plays out really.
yeah. Yeah, Dodgy took this one too.
The short.
Yeah,
I mean, it was pretty textbook, to be honest.
yeah, everything was there.
Everything checked out. It just didn't play out like all the way. We literally came down into the 705 fib perfect inside that 930 gap and had an insane reaction up. It's kind of crazy how that works.
It's pretty insane.
But I mean, at least we didn't take like a full stop out on that. I mean, we played the trade the only way you could.
No, it was perfectly done. Honestly, I'd take that 10 times out of 10 again.
I mean, we almost didn't take it, so
Yeah,
I think it's fine.
yeah.
We attempted it. It gave some delivery.
Yeah, I was a little nervous of that 2 minute, but I'm glad it just closed.
I mean, honestly, you can fade like 2 minutes. You can fade like that when you see like the 1 minute flip the way it flipped, and like the top, like those wicks at the top, we start to slow down after the move up, and like you have the SMT, you kind of have everything aligned for the short. At that point, I feel like you don't need to wait for the higher gap because like you're just like the model's already forming. Like the 1 minute would be like the like kind of first entry trigger, and then the 2 minute would be like safer entry.
Yeah.
But the 2 minute, I don't even think you'd have been able to like enter it because it tapped into the 5 minute on the close.
Yep, it did.
So like I'm sure like the people that ended up taking that 2 minute might end up taking an L here, or they might end up getting saved depending on how their stop was. And then like if you took the 1 minute, you definitely got like saved by break even.
I'm still liking shorts, honestly.
Yeah, no, we can definitely still frame short, kind of see. I think the main thing really, I just want to see us slice back through the 5 minute realistically, just because like for NQ, I can make the argument like this 5 minute sends us possibly into like London and Asia, which is above. They're stacked up on top of each other, kind of like low resistance. And then we also have 6 p.m. open up there with it as well, and then previous day equilibrium.
Fair. I'm looking right now. I see 4 minute, which really doesn't matter, but 3 minute, 2 minute, and 1 minute delivery, and then a small fair value gap below it, with the low at 947 being the break even.
Okay, yeah. That's solid.
We just took.
Honestly, ES is kind of starting to get stronger here.
Yeah, SMT there now.
They're kind of flipping strength. Possible. Honestly, we'll see if ES comes up and ends up breaking through the range highs. Like maybe shorts become invalid at that point.
Yeah, nah, we could definitely flip.
My thing is, I definitely just want to see that weekly gap get filled, and I do think that we come down for it at some point. So it's like I don't want to get caught longing before we take that. But so far, structure is kind of like on NQ, kind of just looks like okay, a move up, a retrace, and then like back into the buy model.
Yeah, no, I mean that's exactly what it looks like right now.
It's funny too that like the final like bearish candle we made on the 1 minute into the 5 minute gap in OT, it was the transition from quarter 2 to 3 right there, like the manipulation into the distribution quarter.
Wow.
Kind of wild.
Yeah, I just turned on the quads indicator, perfectly tapped 705 there.
Where to have it at 875 or?
Yeah, 875. 874. Yeah. Yeah.
Solid, yeah.
It's pretty insane.
Still have SMTs kind of all over this like range too, so
Yep.
definitely want to be more kind of like risk averse. Next entry, I might still even just take with like 2 micros. Honestly, the 3 micros, I didn't expect it to run that hard.
No, it's fine. Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, there's no way I want a long before that weekly gap gets tapped, especially when we're this close to it. I'm down to like if we retrace that gap and we're longing, I'm down to just keep clicking by. But
Mhm.
I feel like we need that retrace to get back into like if we want to hit 30K Nasdaq, we're gonna need like a retrace for all the money to get in.
No, definitely. Yeah. Still. I'm gonna still watch this 1 minute.
Yeah, I'm watching. Let's see, SMT up in this area here. We're holding this kind of like a 1 minute BPR. Also a 2 minute gap, 2 minute BPR.
Swept out internal. SMT at external.
Yeah. It's really, I just hate that 5 minute. Like, I really just, for one, I don't like the fact that, like, obviously we reacted to the gap the way we did. And then, like, for two, I just don't like now that wick inside is technically like a valid rejection wick now. Like that 945 wick on the 5 minute,
Fair. Yeah. Yeah.
just because it came off that OT and, like, the CE of the gap, everything, like, aligned there. I really just want to see the 5 minute get closed. And then, honestly, like, I think this could just send lower than that weekly gap, to be real.
Mm-hmm.
I think that would just be like the safest way to kind of go about it. Because like the problem as well is kind of like we could short here and then like this shit could literally just resweep like that low in the 5 minute and then just get back into buying without completing the sell model. If that makes sense.
No, definitely. Yeah. I mean, that would be the break even spot. 100%. You would have to be
Right.
break even there.
And the other thing too is like we could sweep that into that like 7-9, which is the bottom of the gap,
Exactly.
like the final like discount area.
Yeah. No, 100%. I could definitely.
I just look at it like that inverse we took should have been like that should have been the short. So now we need to be like kind of cautious about the next short we take. Just because I feel like that shit, like if we were gonna, complete the sell model, I feel like that setup right there is the setup for it.
Mm-hmm. The way that I look at it, that setup still didn't fail though. Technically, like we just got
But it's,
break even on it. Like we didn't. So that high is still protected. So
yeah, we're still holding the inverse technically.
yeah, delivering out of the BPR, I created it.
That is solid. We have smaller like 1 minute right here that we're
Yeah, that's
we could
the one
potentially
that I
flip.
was. If we can close it, I'm gonna take an entry on that.
But
Swept out internal, SMT at external, delivery from a 2 minute BPR.
we also had 7-9. Like if you take the OT bearish on the 1 minute, 7-9 perfect.
Beautiful. We also hit 7-9 on the 15 minute from before.
Oh yeah, from the higher time frame range.
Yep.
Solid. We're delivering out of that like higher 15 minute up there, the more like premium 15 minute gap. And so far, this candle's filling in that 15 minute wick. Also, the previous 15 actually has no bottom wick. I just realized, I think.
Let me see. On MNQ it does, but NQ might not.
Yeah, NQ looks like it. Yeah, it doesn't. To doubles mark there. The 9:30 open. Interesting. About to get 10 a.m. here as well.
But yeah.
I didn't even check if we have news. I don't think we have like really any kind of. Actually, yeah, we do have 10 a.m. news today.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's orange folder though. S&Ts are just getting plotted everywhere, which just kind of like makes me not want to look at this shit. That 1 minute might get flipped here finally. The 3 minute looks odd.
Hold on. 3 minute. Oh yeah. Jeez. Let's see if we can get this here.
solid so far. Technically had a CISD as well off of that like 954 candle getting closed below. That was a candle that like swept the internal highs out.
Yep.
Just got the inverse there.
Yeah, I'm gonna try it here.
But
I don't know why I'm not. It's not populating. All right, there we go.
did it alert it?
Yeah. No, did not. But I still.
Try just because we didn't have like a sweep, but it's still valid.
Yeah. I don't think it's just fully recognizing it.
Yeah, no, that's fair.
This is my my last attempt at a trade today.
I'm gonna see like if we start coming below like this 5-minute gap, I might take some kind of continuation if we get below it
But
towards the weekly gap. See what happens. See the 4-hour. Yeah, like there's no way we're not going for that weekly gap.
I mean, it would make sense, honestly.
It's like just a clear straw.
Yeah.
Good delivery so far.
Take out that low.
That's a break-even spot, right? But
Alright, I'm gonna mitigate risk this time. I'm just gonna go to this candle's high, 1002 candle high. Stop loss.
bet. Solid. Notice how that shit hasn't taken the low yet? That's insane. No way they're just gonna edge it.
No way, right?
Should take it.
I really want to just mitigate the risk when we take the low, but I'll move the stop loss back up if we don't take it.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
Don't edge the low like that. No way.
They're doing some foul work right here. All right. I guess the peace talks are over. Let's go. The war is back on.
Does it say that?
I mean, they basically just said that Iran warns of military response.
Oh shit.
And let me see. They're whatever Iran deputy FM, whatever that means. He says that surrender is not an option for Iran, and they warn of retaliation despite peace talks. You know, they're doing that whole, White House MMA match. Why can't they just follow the world leaders in the ring instead?
That's what I think too.
Put Trump and the Chinese president in there, and they can work it out. Whoever wins gets the world.
Yep.
Like, why is this shit printing? Let's see. Like, did it really just sit there and make an equal low, or did it actually take that low out? No, it took it out.
It took it out on MNQ. I moved the stop loss to the 1002 wick, bro. It edged it.
Yeah, I just peeped that. I took it out on NQ as well. There's an SMT there.
Oh shit.
It's 5 minute. Damn, 5 minutes has 4 more minutes on it. It's a nice candle.
That's nice.
Sheesh. I'm gonna jab this with that 5-minute close. But my stop's just gonna go at the high of the 1004 candle. And I'm holding down for 742 previous week low. Unless I get just railed.
I'm gonna go fully break even here.
But break even's gonna be like a little weird for me here. I'm gonna have to wait. Like I want to see like a flush through the 927 lows, those pre-market lows,
Yeah.
like displacement through that, and then I'll go break even off of that instead of just like the sweep of it.
That's valid.
See. This will probably also be my final attempt.
Yeah, it's my last attempt. Definitely.
Come on, NQ. I pretty much just played like the 5-minute flip, but like off of the 1-minute close.
Yeah. No, it's valid. Honestly, confirm that structure's going lower.
Not gonna hold. Yeah. See if we can get some follow through. Ideally, I want to see us like come through 803, those lows, kind of get some strong displacement through like that. And we'll go break even there. Let's see if we can hold those and just flush for the draw.
Dude, I gotta say, you read the fucking market like a book today, bro.
Pretty solid.
What the fuck happened to my
Job's not finished just yet.
Yeah, nah.
Come on, NQ. It's right there. I mean, that right there, we got the close past those lows. We should just go for it now. Should be the flush. We're also, if you keep completely aligned right now, the draw is the same area at this point now. After all the discorrelation, they end up catching up to each other. Let's see the one final flush down, NQ. Please.
One time, NQ, one time.
Literally, I feel like it's been like a while since we've just like gotten off on like a banger trade.
New York's price action has been just horrendous recently.
It has been, yeah. Hasn't been great at all. Today's what, Tuesday? Yesterday, I mean, I can give benefit of the doubt for being Monday.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, NQ. Last flush. The thing is, too, I think we end up flushing that previous week low out more than just the low. So it's like that target is solid at 742.
Yeah.
One flush. I don't ever trust these markets, bro. I need that order to get filled. My break even's at 830 in price, just above the 1-minute gap here.
Come on.
Just send it, bro.
Come on.
No, wrong way. Dude, if I get break even on this. Come on. 1-minute gap, send us down for the draw. No way, right?
Come on, bro. Don't edge.
Just one little tiny move. We got the little retrace. Come on, bro.
No, guys. This trade that I'm in right now wasn't based on the indicator. This was just based on hands. We had the dodgy alert all the way up at the top.
Come on, send it. Bruh.
Come on. Come on.
Bro. Don't do it, NQ. Oh, shit.
No way, bro.
It's gonna fucking do it. No way. and break even. Fuck.
Oh my god, dude.
Like, bruh.
This is fucked.
All right, let me lock these out before I try to reshort. That is insane. Break even and what we're gonna send now for it. Yep.
Oh,
Die, NQ.
oh my god.
Die. Bruh, no fucking way. That is insane.
Dude, there's no way.
Well, I tried to play the reversal from the top. Break even. Try to play a continuation. Break even. So what could I have done?
No, literally nothing.
Like, wow. Well, I guess that's why inversion traders say that stop loss should be a close through the gap, because that gap technically held
Yeah.
the bodies.
Yeah.
Wow. Every time my stop loss is at a gap, I just get torched. I mean, in this case, it was like at the top of the gap. That's just fucked up.
No, it's fucked. Phew.
But
Thank
NATO considers Hormuz deployment.
you.
NATO commander, a total of 5,000 U.S. troops will be pulled out of Europe. So the war really is starting. So we are about to start selling off again.
Yeah. Yo, fellas.
Because since when did NATO want to fight again? Wow, bro, it's over. What were we going to say?
I'm closing my trading view and reopening it. I don't know if anyone was watching. Just join back up. There we go.
Let's see. Here it goes. Wicked ass break even. Literally, my break even was the top of that candle, that 10-11 wick.
I know.
Right at 8:30. That is insane. Wow.
Wow.
There's TP. WNQ. Like, broke even to the tick. That is insane. You have S&T now at the gap at the previous week low.
You locked that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know if yeah. That's it.
Yeah, that's the draw. That's insane. Like, bruh. And the thing is, like, the minis wouldn't have stopped me out. Only micro stopped me out. Minis would have saved me by quite literally a tick on break even. Insane.
So fellas, for people asking, so in real time I said that yeah, this is gonna be the break even spot, but like the break even has been like getting ticked out. So this candle close, like I always notice that we always come and like tap this candle close, right? That creates the IFEG. So what I noticed was the displacement candle that we had, I just wanted to put my stop loss at the top of that wick, right? So like I was in drawdown for like an extra, what was this, 10 points, 15 points, whatever, but I had my stop loss at the high of this wick of the 1002 candle. And I don't know, it just somehow worked out. I got lucky. But yeah, no, I get why people went break even here, but I just put it at the top of the wick. top of that candle. There's also the top of the 4-hour candle that we just opened.
I can't believe this shit broke me even by a tick. Like, this shit can die.
No, that was actually
no way. Like, wow. Just digging through that weekly low, coming towards this 679. There's a draw at 679. And then after that, we won't have anything for another like 100 points down. Insane.
Yeah, well.
Wow, look at that. How that 15-minute like wick ended up sending us. Tap the gap, building this wick, tapped OT on the retrace out.
Wow, yeah.
Sold off.
I bet you if you measure out OT or 7.9 of that wick.
Yeah, this wick tapped into 7.9 perfectly.
Wow.
With the SMC up here. That's insane.
Well,
I mean, these accounts are still up like 300 on the day, I guess, from overnight.
that's good, bro. You're chilling. And you locked out, you're good. You're so good.
Yeah. That is just foul. And I also like I could have played the continuation again off of my break even into the draw and just held like for a strict 1-to-1 or something.
See, I know, but honestly, in the moment when you locked out, I kind of was happy. Not even like for you missing out, like just because like you recognized in the moment, like, all right, like I should probably lock out before I tilt out.
Yeah, literally. Both of my break evens today, like stop loss didn't even get hit.
Mm-hmm.
That's insane.
No, yeah, that's why it's just, you don't want to do something that you're gonna regret.
Yeah.
You got a good enough discipline to just chill.
Insane, bro. Because like that original entry that we had all the way down to previous week low was 240 points.
Yeah, that's actually insane, bro.
Like, wow. Well, I mean, the market, it wasn't bad.
Honestly, bro, I was gonna say
Played out.
like, this is one of the best days of like for like not like structurally like we've read almost everything on the market today.
Yeah, I mean, we read every move pretty much perfect.
Everything was read perfectly.
Honestly, yeah, even the leg up, it's like we kind of knew like we didn't really want to long that. Waited for the flip, took the flip.
Perfectly. Pump up, right?
Yeah.
First inverse failed, right? Re-sweep the highs.
Mhm.
Wow. Tap 0.79 OTE, 15-minute for value gap SMT.
Yep.
Flipped the inverse. It was perfect. Break even spot at 5-minute. That's fine. Delivered back up into 2-minute BPR. Swept out the internal again.
Yep.
Flipped that 1-minute gap, and then the 1-minute flip off the 5-minute was clean too. It's just unfortunate that
Yeah.
fill was.
I guess like a trade like that, that's literally like that trade was like a pretty much a perfect 1-to-1. A trade like that, it'd be like better to let like an internal low get made and then break even once we retake the internal low.
Mm-hmm.
So like in that case, like that little retrace we made up, I would have held like risk on through that, and then the displacement back down would have been where I like took risk off.
100%. I see exactly what you're saying.
Yeah, because like on a setup like that, I guess like the break even spot would have been that range low, which was like super close. I played like a closure. I mean, in that situation, like the close was nice. Like that should have sent us. But then, yeah, like when we created that gap, I should have gave that gap like room to play out because like the bodies of that, like the body stayed within that gap perfectly. Ended up holding it down.
Yeah. No, I get it.
Like even just having a stop at like 10:07 candle high, so just having it at like just that candle's high, completely protected by like the gap. So like if it flips, like at that point the gap got inversed.
Yeah. exactly. I know what you mean.
But fuck it. I mean, another red day.
Yeah.
It's just like these. I need to get these fucking evals done. They're only like halfway.
It's alright. You just keep at it. It'll happen.
Yeah.
Alright, fellas. Should we call it here?
Yeah, I'm down. Pretty much the draw for the day.
Yeah. We're probably just gonna keep grinding through this weekly for Value Gap now. There's gonna be no
Yeah, I think so.
actual draws.
Yeah, now we'd have to wait for the daily to like bounce out of this to get back into buys.
Agreed.
Yeah.
Alright, fellas. We will
Yes, sir.
catch you guys tomorrow.
Yes, sir. See you boys in the morning.
Yep. Peace out, fellas.
Later.